Okay, did you ever see the movie The Birds? Anyway, by the time I got my camera going, they had flown away. But just a few minutes, it was thousands of them right outside my apartment. It reminds me of that 1960s movie, The Birds. Here they come, more. Hundreds and hundreds of them are coming. They're flying south. Maybe this global warming has something to do with all these birds. I don't have a good picture anymore of them. It's very strange. Now they start attacking people. I think Alfred Hitchcock did that movie. Alright. Oh, are they coming back this way? Oh my. They're coming back this way. I know this has something to do with global warming. Global warming. It's a warning too, okay? All right, reporting from Alexandria, Virginia.